You have lost some weight and are making progress, but there's still plenty more to go. So, you're considering buying a gym membership to help shed the remaining weight. Let's go over some things to consider before buying a gym membership. Review the gyms in your area. Talk to people who have a membership at each gym. Are there any issues you should be aware of? Who do you speak to if you have questions or concerns? What are the costs? Find out if you can get a refund on any unused portions of your membership if you change your mind. Some gyms may have hidden fees or require a long-term membership. You want to avoid these, if it's at all possible. Learn about the trainers at each gym in your area. Most gyms have in-house trainers available to help their members out. However, not all trainers are the same. Some are available for one-on-one paid training only. Some are highly trained, and some are not. You want to find out about their certifications because using a non-certified trainer could be hazardous to your safety. Is the staff trained in first aid and CPR? What are their policies if there is an injury at the gym? How close are they to medical facilities? If you're going to place your health in their hands, it's important to ask for proof that they are trained, and their training is up to date. How clean is the gym? See if the gym has a guest pass, which will allow you to check out the equipment. Is the gym open at times to fit your schedule? If the gym is only open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you work those hours, it doesn't make sense to buy a membership there. Many gyms are now open 24 hours a day. Find out the gym's hours so you know you'll be able to get in when you want. Should you get a membership at a local gym or at a chain gym? If you don't travel very often, a local gym may be the best choice. However, if you do travel quite often, you may be able to get a nationwide membership which will allow you to work out wherever you may be. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.